Can you solve this math question? We need to find the value of k given that k squared minus k cubed equals 12. The first step in solving this expression is to factorize the expression. The first thing we notice here is that both terms here contains k squared. We have k squared here and we have k squared and k raised power 1. So we have k squared in both terms. The next thing for us to do is what? Let's factor k squared out from these two terms, which gives us what? K squared open bracket 1 minus k close bracket equals 12. By the time you expand this, you are going to realize this. Let's expand it. K squared times 1 will give us k squared minus k squared times k raised power 1 will give us what? K cubed. Can you see that we've arrived at the same thing? Now let's think about the factors of 12, since we have 12 on the right hand side here. For a cubic equation like this, we'll try to find the visible integer solutions by testing the factors of the constant term, which is 12. Now the factors of 12 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, and plus or minus 12. So these are the integer solutions by testing the factors of the constant term 12. So by the time you multiply 1 times 12, you get 12, 2 times 6, 12, 3 times 4, 12, 4 times 3, 12, 6 times 2, 12, and 12 times 1 will give you. Now let's test a few integer values. Let's start with plus or minus 1. Let's start with 1. So the expression says k squared minus k cubed equals 12. So where k equals what? 1. So we have it as what? 1 square minus 1 cube equals 12. 1 square will give us 1 minus 1 cube will give us 1 as well, equals 12. So we have 1 minus 1 is 0 here, and here we have 12. So this integer value of 1 is wrong. So it doesn't work for this expression. So let's test another one, which is what? Plus 2. So where k equals 2, our expression says k squared minus k cubed equals 12. So we have 2 squared minus 2 cubed equals 12. 2 squared says 2 multiplied by 2, that's 4, minus 2 cubed, 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, equals 12. Plus 4 minus 8 will give us what? A negative 4. So we have a negative 4 on the left side, and we have a positive 12 on the right side. That means this integer value of 2 does not work for this expression. Now let's try another one, which says k equals minus 2. So where k equals minus 2, our expression again, k squared minus k cubed equals 12. So we have it as what? Minus 2 squared minus 2 cubed equals 12. Minus 2 squared means minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Minus times minus will give us a positive. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Minus 2 cubed will give us what? Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 again. So minus times minus plus, plus times minus will give us minus. So we have a negative here. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8, equals 12. So we have 4 minus times minus will give us what? Plus. Plus 8 equals 12. 4 plus 8, 12, equals 12. Can you see that we've arrived at the same answer for both sides? That means k equals to a negative 2 works for this expression. So our k equals minus 2. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for more Math Olympiad challenges.